Wanted to do an update video. These things are really helpful. Because when I do the exercise, I look back and see, did I make any progress in anything? I think it's pretty obvious. Which side is it? Anyway, just look at my body and look at the previous videos I made. It's really helpful to go back. Just notice the differences. You can really tell this pec is smaller than the other. What I've been doing is working on bench press and incline press, but mostly bench press, doing 25-pound plates, one on each side. Before that I was just doing the bar, just really working on getting it strong and evenly pressing each muscle. Instead of, you can tell, just fucking pushing with this side. Now I'm working on getting both pushing equally and slowly building this side up for bench, regular bench and incline. Now for arms, I'm really focusing on barbell curls. Fuck. You can see the difference. This side is much smaller. This side is much smaller than my left. It's like weird. I was really working this shoulder too to raise it up, so that's why it probably looks funky. This side just looks fucking small as shit. So yeah, that's what I'm working on. My calves too. My legs are different sizes, so I was working calves, but that wasn't working. So I started doing squats. My right leg is starting to even out more too. What else can I talk about? Shoulders, arms. Oh yeah. So working the barbell curl on this side, I'm really feeling the burn. I'm only using like 20, going from 20, 30, 40, working my way to 50 pounds. I really just want to work my right side. If my left side starts to get tired, I'm going to go down in weight, so I'm really squeezing this side. I really want to get it even out because it just looks weird. You'll still notice this too, like if you watch this video, like you'll pay attention to other people and notice their imbalances, and it just looks fucking retarded. So focus on those exercises. One way you can tell is you look in the mirror. Let me show you my back too. You look in the mirror. You look in the mirror, or you do, or if one side of your body is burning more than the other when you're doing a workout. For me, when I was doing squats, I was really pushing with my left leg when I was younger, so now I'm focusing more on pushing with my right leg and just doing it evenly throughout. As you can see too, the right side of my back is smaller than my left. That was from doing bent over rows and really pulling with this arm. So just take it all in. You really got I recommend you make these videos too. It really makes a big difference because you can look back and see what exercises you were doing and see if they were helping at all towards what you want to accomplish. For me, working on my pecs, arms, shoulder, I really messed up when I was lifting. I went too heavy. I wasn't focusing on the right stuff. And now that's what I'm working on.